Good morning, innovation, and happy Friday. This is Mr. Roussel. Today is Friday, September 18th, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Repeat after me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. You may be seated. On this day in history in 1851, first published by Henry Jarvis Raymond and George Jones on September 18th, was the New York Daily Times. And in 1973, future President Jimmy Carter filed a report with the National Investigations Committee on Aerial Phenomena, the NICAP, claiming he had seen an unidentified flying object in October. That is probably the first time that a president has claimed to see a UFO in recorded history. Our quote of the day comes from Thomas Edison. He says, "Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time." Important news for the week. Remember that in-person instruction is going to be beginning Monday, September 21st, and those attendance times are going to still be mandatory even if you are not showing up in person. As well, today is the last day to complete all of those RENSTAR tests. You're going to be receiving those scores and goals next week for the remainder of the year. Today, join us for our YouTube Live Fun Friday celebration from 12 to 12:30. Your teacher is going to post a link in the chat box. If you are coming in Monday, do not forget your computer and your charger. So if you're in person, you will not be able to participate in the day's instruction if you do not have your technology. So make sure you bring your computer and your charger on Monday if your day starts then. Our birthdays today are Leah Scott. Happy birthday, Leah. And Saturday, Christiana Ruth celebrates a birthday. Happy birthday, guys. Let's see what's for breakfast and lunch in the cafeteria. Today's breakfast is mini pancakes, and lunch is a grilled cheese sandwich and a marinara cup. Our core value is still no excuses. Know what you want to accomplish and do not stop until you get there. Make a plan and stick to it. If you have trouble making a plan, use your planner to get yourself organized. Remember, no one's going to reach your goal more than you. You have to want it. Thank goodness it's Friday, folks, and I can't wait to see you at our YouTube Live celebration at 12 o'clock. Let's go Inferno.